Okay, now we're going to pull this thing off before you blow out of here. Okay.
What the heck broke on it?
Where's the damage?
All right. Put your light on.
Where'd that go?
I don't know, but I was having trouble with the kicker.
I can see that.
When I was kicking it up, it would miss, and I actually stretched out my knee a couple times.
Oh.
Yeah, it kept jumping.
I told you got to go all the way through and hold it. Remember I told you that?
You gotta jump.
It looks like the kicker broke, not the tranny. So, because it's broken all the way through the kicker shaft right here. Let me pull this back a little bit.
Yeah.
So everything's broken right through here and up to here.
Yeah.
It's not broken in the tranny or the primary. It's all this broke out. So it looks like somehow you got enough pressure that these two shafts spread apart. So my guess is two teeth might have came together or something together instead of in between.
Yeah, I just remember like when I kicked it once and it like slipped. Remember how we refiled the thing down?
Yeah, but that's a different thing. But yeah, I don't know what would cause that. But all right, we're going to pull this out the rest of the way and then see what else we see. Because right now it looks like the thing just broke from stress from kicking, which is pretty damn rare. Did it run backwards and pop back up once on you or something like that?
No.
That's something I would think would break it, but it's definitely broken.
Yeah, if it ran backwards, I would have seen the black. I would have seen the black come out of the card, right?
All right. Yeah, it is obvious it's broken. That's good.
Captain Obvious. Hey, it's really
All
broken.
right, we'll continue.
Okay, where are we at?
Well, we are taking the kicker gear off. We already took the lock free. Oh, the case fell apart.
Really?
Yeah, a big chunk blew out the back there when I did that.
Oh, look at that. Oh, big old piece of
This is extra parts. These are parts you do not need.
aluminium. Holy crap. Look at that crack. Jeez Louise.
The crack opened up, didn't it?
Definitely the shaft is the problem.
You don't think it's just the shaft? You think there might be some other issues behind the shaft?
Yeah.
I'm thinking the only thing holding this whole thing together right now is these two 5/16 bolts right here.
This is, I would have to agree with that. And it looks like they're about
Where's my half-inch wrench at?
Can we get on the other side or?
Yeah, go on the other side.
Sorry.
Can't go that way, you can go the other way.
Yeah.
There's a wrench for you, sir.
All right.
Back one first.
Got it. Right there.
I think that's going to hold.
Yeah. Because it's, yeah, go ahead.
Front one.
It's my freaking, there's nothing to him.
Those aren't locking nuts?
Shoot. Why was that?
Why what?
Oh, I messed up. I zoomed in.
Do you not recording again?
No, I'm recording. I just,
Oh, okay.
but that, it was out of focus because I was too close.
Oh, you're out of
Or
focus.
too far
So
out.
nobody saw that.
All I saw was two, look, that screw and that screw.
They're going to have to interpret what we did by our
That bolt
conversation.
and that bolt came out.
You know, our conversation skills aren't that
Oh,
good.
come on. Here. The crack starts here.
Okay, now we see absolutely no problem with the kicker mechanism here. There's no evidence of any jumping teeth, marks, or anything. So the kicker gear did not cause this problem.
Well, what the heck could have caused the problem?
I have no idea. But I'm thinking this piece here is not supposed to come apart separately.
Hang on. I missed it.
You missed what?
Nothing. Well, it's not hard to miss it now. Holy moly's.
This is not how you take. This is not how you take your motor apart. It's like this.
Yeah. That is amazing. Holy moly.
That big dollar
Moly,
gasket is still good, though. See.
Moly, moly, moly. Broken.
So I'm thinking there might be a slight problem in the case.
You don't think we can just shave off a little bit of these sharp edges and put it back
A
together?
little JB weld, you mean? Yeah. Hey, the bushing's still in there, so it must be good.
Well, what goes here?
Goes where?
What's right there?
The pin. The stop pin.
You think the stop pin got nailed?
Only if the bike was running backwards and the kicker came up real quick and snapped it. That's what would break a case like that, but he said he didn't do that, so.
Well, I think it did because that's where it's broken. This is still intact.
But he was having problems slipping out of gear and jamming, but that would put some force on the gear teeth, but
Yeah, but this is not
I
this.
think it'd be enough.
This kicker shaft is not moved. It's still in the bushing. That's not what broke it. It's got to be Look, it's still, the bushing is still good to go.
I know. I didn't say the shaft got hit. It's over in the kicker gear location, but
Yeah,
anyway, it's broken, so it doesn't really matter.
doesn't matter.
We can interpret what the problem is all day long.
There's something right
Doesn't
here.
matter. Did you find the thing that's holding me up yet?
Yeah, it's right here.
Well, I can't find it.
Turn
I
it.
can't feel it.
Hang on a second.
It's somewhere over there.
What? Get your finger out of the way.
Got it up? You
Yes,
have to
go
hold
ahead.
it.
Go ahead.
I have to hold it. I can hold it against the case. I can't find the washer.
The washer's stuck.
Yeah, I know, but I can't figure out how to do it because I can't see or feel it. So look out. So I gotta come back from this side. Okay.
That thing isn't. You want to screw it out?
No, I want to get it back where it belongs.
Oh.
And then it slides over. It's supposed to slide off that shaft, but it's not.
It's stuck with some, that washer's holding it in.
It's bent is the problem.
Let's hope.
The problem is it's bent.
Okay. It's bent.
If I give it a light tap, that, it might flex it square enough that I can get it off, but it doesn't look like it's going to do that. Yep.
Not going to cooperate.
No, it's not going to cooperate. And it can't come out unless it slides off the shaft. So maybe we can screw it off the shaft
You want
slightly.
to pull from the other side while you're.
I gotta slide it off and turn it and screw with it. Well, it needs a little 90-degree screwdriver, which I don't have, a little stubby, which I don't have on
What
the
about
finger.
your nose picker?
Don't have that right here either. We can hold that side and hold that side.
I'll hold this.
Yeah, you can hold that one.
I'll hold this one. Now hit it.
Can't hit it. You gotta hold it from top and bottom. So I gotta come in on the other side, like that.
Got it.
Then you come over here and hit it.
Nope, it's still not going.
And this is definitely screwing up the threads on the shaft, so I'm gonna have to work on that afterwards. Maybe.
Too many fingers.
Yeah, I know, but I'm gonna get in there to hold it somehow.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm even on it.
Getting close.
Yeah, get the light where I can see it. This screwdriver's not doing anything, not on it.
Nope.
So I got to jam it in there a little bit. My screwdriver ain't doing nothing.
Bouncing back and forth.
Yep. Huh. Okay. So much for the easy way.
That's the hard way.
Cutting it off. All right, shut that off. Go get a cutter. Okay, get the light on. You can't see that.
Yeah, give me a second, dude.
Okay. I'm not a dude. I'm an asshole, but it's different.
Ah.
No, that's a different one.
Whatever.
All right, so we have to cut this thing in half to get it out of here. So we're going to go ahead and use this to do it. Let's see how it wants to go down. So we're going to go this way. We're going to make some noise. Yeah, that's how this works. The other problem is I got to try to keep it over to here. Back to it. That was going the wrong direction.
You want me to push it in?
I think I was going to go that way. There, whichever way it wants to jam, make sure it jams up. Half of it. My big screwdriver went off too. There it goes.
We're going to do the other half, right?
Yeah. Now we're trying not to screw the shaft up when we use the shaft. That's going to want to try to jam over the top of this cutter, but hopefully it won't. Units wore off that blade. Right now. So this is hard. Alright. Now let's see if we can just force it out of here. If any luck, it breaks right off.
Yeah.
Hey, broke. You got it. Did it have a slight fracture on that line? Now it's out. And I didn't scrub the shaft, which is good.
Yeah.
But it might have caused some little havoc with my cutter though now, so it's a $20 cutter took a hit. So we'll have to add the $20 on the fee of job.
Yeah.
And this piece here might be defective now.
Slightly.
So I think we might have to replace that piece. The bushing's still in here.
Might salvage a bushing. Probably
I
not.
don't think we're going to keep the bushing, but we might. Yeah, this piece will fall down and pull out of the frame anyway, but
Yeah.
just can't get in there. So I
That's
still don't
amazing.
see any reason for this thing to be broken here. There's no, see, it's all clean, fresh brakes. See, it's all nice, clean metal.
Oh yeah.
There's no corrosion. So it's not like it was broken, previously broken.
It just happened.
It looks to me like it ran backwards and the kicker went like this. You have to show like I'm doing, Fred.
Well,
So this is your kicker, let's say. When you kick it, you know, if the motor runs back, when you bring it up a little bit, it engages the kicker gears and this goes whang like that real quick. And this pin right here is what stops it from going up. And that's obviously where it can go and separate.
yeah.
So that looks like what happened. He says that didn't what happened, but that's what it looks like happened.
Yeah.
So I don't know anywhere else. There's nothing else that puts stress on it like that.
Well, and it appears that
He said the
because
kicker was slipping and all this other stuff, but slipping kicker doesn't cause these problems.
yeah, it appears that that pin.
We're talking thousands of pounds of force here to blow a case apart like this.
That's
And see, even up here, it's just all clean brakes. Everything is a clean brake up here. There's no old corroded area.
nice and shiny.
You know, if you saw a little black spot like this here and in this, somewhere in here, anywhere along this crack line, then you know it was previously broken. But this is fresh, clean brake, completely fresh. So, all right. Well, right now we can turn this into a non-electric start bike here, pretty easy. But anyway, this piece here needs to be reattached or new cases. So luckily we have pretty much the piece that's missing goes right back in.
Yeah.
So that, you can actually reattach that. It will cause a lot of warpage and have to do some machining, but that can be done. So anyway, that's where we're at for now, so we'll see what the customer wants to do from here.
So we're taking a break then.
Yep.